Hey folks, Mike Prosser here with Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. Today we're featuring the all-new No Boundaries 20.8. 400 watts of solar, Beast Mode suspension. I'll do a picture of that. Heavy duty off-road independent front suspension, or suspension for the trailer, dual axle. This is kind of cool. This is kind of a little bar setup in there, or makes into a dinette table. Huge awning covering the whole openings. Stabilizer jack, spare tire. Got a receiver hitch on that. You can put a bike rack in there, a kayak carrier, something like that. It is prepped for a rear view camera and for a rear ladder. Those are options. Here's the big slide out. Coming back around. I'm going to try to get a better view here. I think that's better. The dual axle, nice big off-road style tires. Two propane tanks, battery disconnect, electric power tongue jack. Here's my truck. I'll go around here. Fully capable of towing this trailer with a weight distribution hitch. I don't have one on here now, I've just plugged it in for power. Nice beautiful front window, pass-through storage. Love the colors this year. Solid step. Doesn't bounce up and down. Okay, we got theater seating here. Again here. Fridge with freezer. Huge amount of storage. Look at that galley. Microwave, 3-burner propane stove. Nice big sink. Glass washer. So here's this little bar setup. This also makes into a table. Coming back here, we got the mid bathroom, separate toilet and shower, of course. Nice shower door, toilet, sink, vanity, storage, sliding doors to the bedroom, more storage in the bedroom, walk around queen bed, ventilation here in the ceiling vent, the side windows as well. Got power up here, more storage. Prepped for a washer dryer. Look at that, you don't see that every day. So let me see on that. You could put a combo unit or a stackable washer dryer in here. That is an option. We can do that here. You could do it yourself later. Buy it now, see what you think. And this is a beautiful unit. Spherian 12-volt refrigerator. Figure out where to open it here. There we go. Freezer on the top, fridge on the bottom. You can put a lithium battery on this. Lots of storage. It also has this road vac system, so you can vacuum, sweep the floor, vacuum the dirt and stuff right into the vacuum there. And here's this window, the little bar setup. And of course, when it's in the window mode, we've got privacy and we have screen. So Mike Prosser here, just wanted to show you this brand new No Boundaries 20.8, available at prosserrv.com in southeastern Wisconsin. I'm the owner of the dealership. I'd love to earn your business. Let me know how I can. Thanks again.